So when I first had this idea to build a studio, I knew right away I needed to have multiple cameras. The reason I wanted multiple cameras is so I could do this. I could talk to one camera, or if I needed to switch to talk to another camera, I could. Or if I wanted to switch to another camera, I could do that too. The benefit of having multiple camera angles is that you could chop up the video and have a different view scene. But ultimately, I could also make it seem like there's different videos happening, right? This camera angle could be one video, and then maybe a couple of months later, I release another version where I'm looking straight ahead. Or the other month later, I'm doing that, or I'm mixing them all together. I got options, right? I recorded yesterday with somebody. We recorded in 2 hours, and they wanted raw footage, so they had ideas. They kind of prepped it beforehand. We recorded, no lie, 104 videos in 2 hours, and they did it across 3 different cameras. When I gave them all the files, I was thinking, wow, instead of coming in and getting 100, they actually got 300, and if they use it right, they actually have enough almost for a year in only 2 hours of their time. Now, yes, there's editing, there's captions, there's everything that needs to go with it, but this is the power of having a studio space and having the right equipment. And more importantly, this is really important for me, we're making it easy for people. 2 hours, and they're set up for a year if they want. That's incredible.